Hello students, welcome you back on day 8 and we will be learning lesson number 16. So on second slide we can see there is spoken tutorial, assignment and test. We are going to start talking about demonstrative pronoun today. Before that, let us know what are pronoun. Allow me to answer that question by way of demonstration. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that take place of a noun or it can replace a noun. For an example, I, he, she, it, they, someone, who. Let us see the examples. Radha plays guitar. In this, Radha is a noun. It is a name of a girl. Now here we can replace with the pronoun. She plays guitar. So she is a pronoun word which has been replaced in the name of noun. Next, Tina enjoys the book. Here the book is common noun. So we can replace it with a pronoun. Tina enjoys it. So here pronoun is it. So it word of pronoun has replaced a word book. Next, I am sad. So I am sad. Here I is a pronoun word which is directly identified. Ki I am sad. So moving further, what is demonstrative pronoun? We can say demo is a short version of demonstrative. Demo means to explain clearly, concisely, perfectly. डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करने वाले प्रोनाउन को हमेशा डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन कहा जाता है. Let us see. Before go to grammatical part, let us see what is the use of demonstrative pronoun in practical life. For an example, that is my house. This is the pen. Those people are my relatives. These are my books. So I have introduced this, that, those and these. That is my house. वो मेरा घर है. This is my pen. ये मेरा पेन है. Those people are relatives. वो लोग मेरे relatives है. These are my books. ये मेरे books है. So that and those are used for far. जो दूर है उसके लिए that and those use किया जाता है. This and these are used for near. जो हमारे नजदीक है. This is my pen. ये मेरा पेन है. यहीं पे है. This is my pen. That is near. These are my books. On table multiple choice of books are there. So these are my books. That is plural. Books. BOOKS. S आता है. That is plural. This is my pen. Single pen. That is singular. So this and that is singular. Those and these are plural. So that is my house. That is दूर. बहुत लंबा है. That is far. So that is my house. Those people are my relatives. They are standing over there. Those people are my relatives. Relatives comes more than one person, one people. So that is those people are relative. These all included known as demonstrative pronoun. That was a practical life. So just we'll go further for a grammatical part. Now, the definition says a demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that is used to point to something specific with a sentence. That means यहाँ पे demonstrative pronoun क्या करता है? Represent thing, THING, thing or things. These pronouns can indicate item in space or time and they can be either singular or plural. जैसे I said for an example, this is my pen. ये मेरा पेन है. मेरे पास है. एक ही पेन है. So that is singular. These are my books. THESE. These are my books. So multiple books are there. BOOKS. that is plural, more than one. Am I clear? So let's see. What are the types of demonstrative pronoun? First of all, there are four demonstrative pronouns: this, that, these, and those. This and that refers to singular nouns, and this and those identify plural nouns. The singular this and the plural this refer to a person or thing near the speaker. What they said? The singular this. We can see in the image. This is my apple. And plural these refers to a person or thing near the speaker. These are my apples. So this and these refer to which is near to us. This is my apple, that is singular. These are my apples, that is more than one apple, that is plural. Same, those and that refer to far, that is far from the speaker. Those are my apples refers to plural, that is my apple refer to singular. But in both the cases, the apples are far away from the speaker. So in this type of demonstrative pronoun, we understood this refers to singular, these refers to plural, but both this and these are near to the speaker. And same way, those and that are far from the speaker. Those refer to the plural and that refer to the singular. So next we'll see uses of demonstrative pronouns. When you use a demonstrative pronoun, you will either need to indicate what are you talking about by pointing or otherwise gesturing towards it. That means point out करके बताना या कुछ दिखाना, उसे हम uses of demonstrative pronoun बोलते हैं. Or your listeners will need to be looking at it as well. For this reason, demonstrative pronouns are mostly used in spoken English. We can see from an image these, that, these, and those. This and that refers to singular. These and those refers to plural, which is written on left hand side. This is my book. This is my book, which is near to the speaker, which is near to the me. That is my book, which is far from the speaker, that is kept on some at the corner. That is my book. So it is very far in the corner. These are my books, which is kept in rack. These are my books because I can easily identify it. And more than one book, so that is known as plural because more than one book it is there. Those are my books, more than one book again. But those are my books. I am pointing out it is far from me. But these are my books which is near to me. So here are some examples of demonstrative pronoun that can take place. The underlined noun phrases. Number 1. The food you are cooking smell delicious. Here the underlined noun phrases the food you are cooking. That has been replaced by demonstrative pronoun is that. That smells delicious. The word is that. Second, the pretzel like yoga move we are doing really hurts. So the underlying noun phrase is the pretzel like yoga move we are doing. So it has been replaced by the demonstrative pronoun word is this. This really hurts. Next, number 3. The cockroaches currently giving birth under our kitchen sink are totally gross. Here the underlined noun phrase is you can see the cockroaches currently giving birth under our kitchen sink. So it has been replaced by those. Those are totally gross. Next, number 4. The pink petit fours on my plate are my favorites. Here, the underlined phrase is the pink petit fours on my plates. It has been replaced by These are my favorites. So here the demonstrative pronoun word is this. So moving further, we can see more examples of demonstrative pronouns. This was my mother's ring. I have pointed to the ring which was of my mother, and I have used a demonstrative pronoun word is this was my mother ring. Next, that looks like the car I used to drive. I pointed at the car. मैंने वो कार को देखा और मैंने बोला कि ये कार वही है जो मैं चलाती थी. तो here that looks like the car I used to drive. Next, these are nice shoes but they look uncomfortable. Shoes को देखा मैंने, try करके भी देखा. Shoes अच्छे लगे but these shoes are uncomfortable because it is a pair of shoes. So these shoes are uncomfortable, but it is nice, but it is not comfortable for me. Those look like Ripper. Then the apples on my tree. I pointed on the apples. I think about the apples and I pointed on trees and said, those look like Ripper than apples on my tree. So here some of the examples was these, that, these and those about a particular thing or things. So here we comes to last session of lesson number 16, sentence formation by using demonstrative pronoun. So here the demonstrative pronoun word is this, that, these and those. And for we have taken example as an apple. This is an apple, that is an apple, these are apples and those are apples. So first we'll see. This is an apple. An apple is near to me. So it is near and it is singular, which is single. Next, that is an apple. It is far to me. I am pointing it out. That is an apple, which is far and it is singular. These are apples. I have put S in the last. So that is more than one apple. So it considered as a plural and it is near to me. Those are apples. I am pointing out on a tree where apple is there. So those are my apples. Again I have put S in last. So it replaced as a plural. So here some of the sentences I have formed by using demonstrative pronoun. I hope lesson number 16, demonstrative pronoun, these, that, these and those has been clear to your mind. So here we come to end of day 8 and we have completed our lesson number 16, demonstrative pronoun. I hope demonstrative pronoun has been very clear to you all. I have completed each and all aspect with the basic examples and information. Here are assignment and test link. Assignment link is given to you as well as test link is given to you. Once you complete with all the slides of your demonstrative pronoun, once you understood all the slides of demonstrative pronoun, you can go further for the assignment link. As soon as you can complete the assignment link, you can go for the test link. Thank you. All the best. There is lot to learn in Spoken English Certificate program.